Hi everyone. In this video, we'll know what is split and what is join in Python. So before moving on to the code, let's know more about split and joins. Split and join are the methods of strings. So split is used to convert a string into a list of substrings with a specified delimiter or a separator. Okay. So we'll see it in action. We'll create a string now. String equal to programming with Python. So this is my string. So what does a split do here? Okay. Split converts the whole string into a list, and it will give all the it will convert this whole string into a list of substrings. Okay, it will convert it into substrings as well. So substrings in the sense, if I have a programming word which is converted into a substring. Hi everyone, in this video we'll see what is a split and what is a join in Python. So split and join are the methods of strings. So split basically used to convert a string into a list of substrings with a specified delimiter or a separator. Okay. So we will see it in action by creating a string first. So string equal to programming with Python. So I have created a string, and now what is the role of split here? Split converts the complete string into a list of substrings. Okay, for example, I have programming here. So what does split do? Split converts this programming into a separate string. Okay, the same applies with the same applies for Python as well. So with will be converted as a separate string. Python also will be converted as a separate string. Okay, we'll see that. So I'll create a substring, which is a variable where I'm going to store the split. So I've created a variable. Now string dot. So here we have to take split. Okay. Now split takes two parameters. One is the separator. The other one is the max split. Okay. As of now, I'm not taking any separator or any max split. I'm keeping it as empty. So let's run this now. Substring. Okay, if I run it, you can see programming is separate string now, and width is a separate string. Python is a separate string inside a list. Okay, so this is one example. Let's say I have another string which is fruits equal to, let's say, apple. I'll use a hash character here. Apple. Instead of commas, I'm using a hash character. Okay, banana, mango, and papaya. Okay, so this is my string. So let's convert it using this split function. So let's say text equal to roots dot split. Okay, this time we'll use a hash character here. Okay, whatever you specify here, you have to use it inside the split as a separator. Okay, okay, we have to give the double quotes. Okay, so if I run it, text. So what will be the output? The output will be apple. Okay, it will be a list. Apple, comma, banana, comma, and so on. Okay, it will check wherever the hash is there. It will replace it with a comma. Okay, so we'll run it. See if you can see here, apple, comma, banana, comma, mango, comma, papaya. Okay, so in this way we can use split. So this is all about split. So now we'll look into what is join. So join method takes all items in a iterable and joins them into one string. A string must be specified as a separator. So we'll see what will be the syntax for join. So let's take syntax for join. It takes string dot and it takes join, and join has a parameter, only a single parameter, which is a iterable. Okay, here the string is a separator. Okay, and here the iterable must be or can be a list, can be a tuple, can be a dictionary. Okay, so we'll see an example. So let's say my list equal to have a list of countries, let's say Africa, China, Bangladesh, and we have Singapore. Okay, so this is my list. So we'll take another variable which is join list equal to which takes the join method here, and the syntax for join method is string dot join. Okay, as I said earlier, string is a separator. Okay, so I've given the separator dot join, and it takes a iterable. Iterable is nothing but my list. Okay, so it is my list. So if I print join list and if I run it, you can see the whole substrings are converted into a one string. Okay, so that is what a join does. It will convert each substring into a combined single string. Okay, so this is one example. So here, as you can see, I have not given or specified any separator. It's just between the double quotes. It's just a double quotes. So if I give a separator, if I say comma, so it will separate each word with a comma. Okay. If you can see here, it is separating each word with a comma. Okay. Now, instead of comma, if I give space, okay, that is a space separator. And if I run it, see it is having some space between each word. Okay. So this is how we can use join using the list, using the tuples. We can use it using the tuples. You can use it using the dictionaries. Okay, the iterable can be any date, any sequence types. So this is how we can use joins in strings.